Hey guys, so it is Resurrection Sunday, Passover and Palm Sunday week here in New York 2025. I stopped by Amy Ruth's restaurant, which has one of the best soul foods here in New York City, I believe. I ordered the smothered turkey wings, yes, string beans, okra, steamed okra, potato salad, collard greens, macaroni and cheese, and sweet potato yams. I couldn't choose. You really only get two sides, but I couldn't choose two sides. So I said, you know what? I'm going to buy all of the sides that they have. And then on top of that, I went ahead and got some pineapple coconut cake. All right. So listen, guys, this restaurant is located in Harlem, New York. And what many don't realize, Harlem actually has some of the best food in the world. I've been to 65 different countries. I've been to like 40 United States, different states in the United States. And the restaurants in Harlem, in my opinion, are the best. Not only in soul food, but even in when it comes to Mexican food, when it comes to Italian food, when it comes to just regular Spanish food, Puerto Rico. Well, you can't really say Spanish food because there's so many different Spanish, but Puerto Rican food, it's pretty high up there. It really is. And we do have some Dominican restaurants that are pretty good too. Now, I have to give it to Washington Heights. I would rate Washington Heights number one when it comes to Dominican food, but I would rate Harlem number two. But yes, guys, Amy Ruth's in Harlem. If you're ever in the area and you don't know where to eat, Amy Ruth's is one place that I would recommend. And yes, I do. There are others such as Melba's, which, one has to mention. There is a wait time for that place, though, I have to admit. But Amy Ruth's, nice, fresh, savory food that you can get. And you know what else I noticed? The original owner, he passed away and he was cooking his food a certain way. And I noticed that they've modified it and made it more healthier without losing the taste. Okay, so again, don't be afraid to come up. Don't believe the hype as far as the negative hype. Believe the positive hype, and that is that Harlem has some of the best food, if not the best food, in the whole world. Yes, I said it. I said it. Okay, guys, so happy Easter and enjoy your day. Enjoy Jesus and all his joys.